Hello YouTube, this is Dr. DaretoBeCreative, and I am here for entry number 7, and I need to cut it open. This is from Miriam, and she just, oops, I'm going to cut the thing on that hole. Okay, it was close to the edge, I don't want to cut anything. So this is my 7th entry for my memory decks, my red birthday challenge. Oh, whoa, look at this. Okay, girl, I love that. So she did a video on her channel as well. So first let me start with the card. And what I was asking for was something to be done in red, black, white, gray, gold, or silver. You can use one or any of those combination of colors and to create a memory decks card. And you can get additional points if you did an ATC, an ICAD, which is an index card a day, or just IC index card, same thing, 4x6. ATC is the same size as a baseball card, 2.5 by 3.5, and a memory decks. The memory decks is the main thing, but if you do anything else, you get points like a Instagram post, a video response, or a birthday card. So anyway, so she put this nice little sticker up here. It says handmade with care, with love. And again, sorry about the lighting. It's nighttime. Ooh, look at that. Gorgeous. I like that image. You got to tell me where you got that image from. I love that. It says happy birthday. So she did some coloring up here. I love even the little streaks of red in there. Her hair. Got her little red shadow on her lipstick. She looks good. You know, paint the town red. Y'all don't know how much red. When I say I own red, I own red. I went to church like maybe 3 months from January to March, and every Sunday I had on a red suit or a red dress. Totally different every single week, and tons of red shoes. I love red. Not everybody can rock red, but I must say I can rock red. Anyway, so nice glittered paper. So pretty colors, and then you got the gold pearls right here. Not pearls, but gold bling around the corners as well. So that says happy birthday. And then she wrote me a little note in here, and it says hello my dear crafty friend. You have a nice handwriting, by the way. I wish I could write this well when I sent somebody something, because when I send them something, I know they'd be like, oh my god, this girl. Anyway, it says, here I send my entry to your challenge. I had so much fun creating it for you. Thank you for letting me be part of your challenge. I want to wish you a happy birthday filled with love and many blessings. Take care and stay crafty. Your friend Miriam Ferris, aka Crafty Butterfly Ferris. So of course I will have her link below to her channel, because I definitely want you to check her out. So she does some wonderful creations, as you can definitely see. I love that. Thank you so much, Miriam. And look at this. These are gorgeous. Did you make these? Oh my gosh. You gotta do, I gotta check and see if you got a tutorial for that. I like that. These are so cute. She's got some bling across the top. I gotta pull them out because of the glare, so you can really appreciate these. And you know, I love the Asian thing. My mom had a house decorated when we was younger in Asian, and it's just, beautiful. So as you can see, these fans, I love them. These are so cute. This one says forever, together forever, and this says love. So I love these. And you got your red flowers, and you got your white pleated fans, and you got some white string to tie it off. These are gorgeous. I'm gonna have to make some of those. I love those. And then here is the memory decks that she created, and this is just for you. She's got a nice rose up here, got a nice little doily, small little doily, really cute, and a nice pretty rosette, which I like that. And she's got some confetti in here, some sequins to make a nice little shaker. And I want to pour this out. She's got some nice washi across the top, and then she has, girl after my own heart, a pair of stilettos right up there, and it says shine. Love it, love it, love it. Gorgeous. This would go so well my memory decks, and she's got it on some foam tape, so I can just take it right on off. She's got her information on the back. Oh, she likes some of the same colors. She likes red, black, white, pink, and silver. All right. Oh, so you're up north. Okay. So you just had a birthday too, so happy belated birthday to you. Yeah, so we're like a little of a month apart. So thank you so much. This is very pretty, and I definitely would love to add that to my Rolodex. I love that. Everything turned out so beautiful. Thank you so much, Miriam, for participating. And I got all your entries down for being in my contest. So I hope you win, and Whoever else enters, I hope you guys win. So check out the original video on the things to do. And I did have a couple of people that asked me to extend it to the 21st. So I am going to extend it to the 21st, but I'll do a separate video to say that. But anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.